ONCY stock analysis and ONCY stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Oncolytics Biotech stock. I see that we're like 0.5% down. It's not that much. But just to give you context, I've done 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I know what's making me money and what's not. So with this in mind, ONCY is just your typical bearish market, man. I'm not even trying to hate. I'm just being realistic. It's not like I haven't seen this happen also thousands of times because I've done 37,000 videos. So in this case, I'm not even coming to a conclusion because it's only going to be something that I'll be bearish on the moment I start seeing double breaks. And if those double breaks are not met and my confirmation, which is going to be the double breaks, is not met, then I'm obviously not going to sell. Because that's just insanity, you know, that's just insanity. So I'll obviously continue to keep you updated with this in mind. And if you want to make more money consistently trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.